Real foods are single-ingredient foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals, lack chemical additives and are mostly unprocessed. Here are just a few examples. Apples, bananas, chia seeds, broccoli, kale, berries, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, brown rice, salmon, whole eggs, unprocessed meat. There are lots of real foods in every food group, so there's a vast array you can incorporate into your diet. Here are 11 reasons why real foods can help you lose weight. Real foods are nutritious. A diet rich in nutrients may help with fat loss by improving nutritional deficiencies and reducing hunger. They're packed with protein. Protein is the most important nutrient for fat loss. Real foods are better sources of protein since they are less processed and typically have more protein and less fat. Real foods don't contain refined sugars. Real foods don't contain added sugar and have other nutrients that are great for your health. Foods high in added sugar are typically higher in calories, aren't as filling and increase your risk of obesity. They're higher in soluble fiber. Soluble fiber may help you lose weight by reducing your appetite. Great real food sources of soluble fiber include sweet potatoes, beans, fruits and vegetables. Real foods contain polyphenols. Real foods are a great source of polyphenols, which are plant molecules with antioxidant properties. Some polyphenols may help with fat loss, such as epigallocatechin gallate in green tea. Real foods don't contain artificial trans fats. Artificial trans fats increase fat gain and boost the risk of many harmful diseases. Real foods don't contain artificial trans fats. They'll help you eat more slowly. Real foods can help you eat slowly by making you chew more. This may reduce your appetite and leave you satisfied with less food. Real foods may reduce sugar cravings. Real foods provide a healthier sweet fix. Eating more real foods may help your taste buds adapt, reducing cravings over time. You can eat more food and still lose weight. Real foods typically have fewer calories per gram than processed foods. Great foods that are high in volume include pumpkin, cucumbers, berries and air-popped popcorn. They'll reduce your consumption of highly processed foods. Eating more real foods reduces the intake of processed foods, reducing your risk of obesity. Real foods will help you make a lifestyle change.